In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a talk track in Miro. This is a fantastic skill to add to your toolbox, especially if you're someone who frequently collaborates with a team or conducts remote presentations. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly record and review talk tracks to enhance your workflow. Let's dive in by opening up your preferred web browser and heading over to miro.com. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account. You can do this easily by finding and clicking on the login button, which is conveniently located on the home page. If you already have Miro set up, signing in should be a breeze. You'll have the option to sign in using your email, or if you prefer something even quicker, your Google account. Choose the one that works best for you and proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Here you can access all your existing boards. Click on the board where you want to create your talk track. It could be a current project you're working on, or perhaps a new board specifically for this purpose. Now, with your board open, look to the upper right corner of the screen for the button labeled Record and Watch Talk Tracks. Give it a click and you'll find yourself almost ready to start recording. The next step is straightforward. Just click on the Record Talk Track option. This is where the magic begins. Miro will prompt you to configure your camera settings. If you're using your webcam and want your viewers to see you as you record, make sure your camera is set up correctly. However, if you're not comfortable being on camera, or it's simply not necessary for your project, you can select None to disable the webcam. After setting up your video preferences, it's time to configure your audio settings. Good audio quality is crucial for effective communication, so ensure your microphone is working and adjust the settings according to your needs. Once everything is set up, click on Start Recording to begin capturing your talk track. As you record, feel free to walk through your board, explaining the elements and concepts you want to convey. When you're satisfied, go ahead and click on Stop Recording to end your session. The recording is saved automatically to your board. Finally, to review your work, simply click on the recorded talk tracks available within your board space. This allows you to watch through your presentation, ensuring everything is as you intended before sharing it with your team or audience. And there you have it. Recording a talk track in Miro is as easy as following these steps, and with practice it will become an indispensable part of your collaboration routine. Thanks for watching and enjoy using Miro to its fullest potential.